In this example, we're converting 0.030 kilograms into milligrams. We'll start this conversion the way we start all of our conversions. We'll take the number we have, 0.030 kilograms, and make it a fraction by putting it over 1. Then we'll multiply by 1, but we're going to express 1 so that the units kilogram cancel and the units milligram remain. Usually the way we do this is to find a relationship between the two units. But that's where we run into trouble in this problem, because we don't know a relationship between kilograms and milligrams. So that strategy is not going to work in this case. What do we do then? Well, we work with two relationships here. First of all, I don't have a relationship between kilograms and milligrams, but I do have a relationship between kilograms and grams. 1 kilogram is the same as 1,000 grams, because the prefix kilo means 1,000. Also, 1 milligram is 0.001 grams, because the prefix milli means 0.001. So I have a relationship between kilograms and grams, and I also have a relationship between milligrams and grams. So I can convert from kilograms to grams, and then I can convert from grams to milligrams, and I'll get the answer I need. All right, let's see how this works then. We've got our number, 0.030 kilograms. We put it over 1 to make it a fraction, and then we multiply by 1. But the expression we use for 1 comes from the first conversion relationship. 1 kilogram equals 1,000 grams. Now I want kilograms to cancel, so the 1 kilograms will go on the bottom of the fraction, and I want the grams to survive, so it goes on the top of the fraction. So when we multiply 0.030 kilograms over 1, by 1,000 grams over 1 kilogram. The kilograms cancel, leaving us with 30 grams. All right, but that's not the answer. That's just the first step. The second step is to take 30 grams and convert it to milligrams using our second conversion relationship. So we take the 30 grams and we make it a fraction by putting it over 1. Then we multiply by 1, but we express 1 from the second conversion relationship. I want grams to cancel, so 0.001 grams will go on the bottom of the fraction. I want milligrams to survive, so they stay on the top of the fraction. All right, so when I multiply 30 grams over 1 times 1 milligram over 0.001 grams, the grams cancel, and I'm left with 30,000 milligrams. That's the answer, 30,000 milligrams. Now I want to show you another way to solve the problem. It uses the same method we just used, it just combines all the steps into one line. Alright, so we take our 0.030 kilograms and we put it over 1 in order to make it a fraction. Then we multiply by the first conversion relationship, 1,000 grams over 1 kilogram. That cancels the unit kilograms, leaving a unit grams. Then we multiply by the second conversion relationship, 1 milligram over 0.001 grams. That cancels the unit grams, leaving the unit milligrams, which is what we wanted. So it gives us an answer of 30,000 milligrams. Now that's the same as the answer before because we're solving the same problem. We're just taking these two steps and combining them into one big long step. It doesn't matter which method you use, as long as you get the right answer, 30,000 milligrams.